How to live a happy life with arthritis. When it comes to managing your arthritis and its symptoms, few things are as effective as a thorough understanding of the condition and how you can improve it. This hand-picked selection of tips and tricks can provide the perfect starting point for anyone who wants to learn more about this painful condition. Keep pain-relieving medications and ointments handy, such as on the countertop. If you suffer from a sudden attack, you may not want to have to reach and grab for your pills. In addition, if you have your medications in your purse or in your car, they will be available if you need them while not at home. Always wear solid, supportive shoes if you have arthritis. You might further hurt yourself if you do not wear good shoes. Additionally, they can hurt your legs and their joints. Make sure you buy new workout shoes on a regular basis, particularly when the soles begin to wear unevenly. Consider joining an arthritis support group. Friends and family members who don't suffer from arthritis may have a hard time understanding exactly what you are going through and how much it affects your life. Connecting with other arthritis sufferers in a supportive environment can make it easier to cope with the chronic, day-to-day pain and other difficulties associated with the disease. To manage your arthritis better, find ways to relax and eliminate stress. If you are under stress, it can release chemicals that will make your muscles inflamed and you will feel pain from arthritis. One way to eliminate stress is to learn new time management skills. Light exercise will also help lessen stress. Unless you absolutely need painkillers, do not use them when dealing with your arthritis pain. Painkillers can be dangerous. You can develop a physical addiction and experience greater pain along with other symptoms if you stop using the drugs. In addition, medication doesn't permanently relieve pain, so you may feel a need to keep taking the painkillers. If you do decide to take painkillers, make sure that you take them exactly as prescribed. Whether you are struggling with the pain of arthritis or know someone else who is, the advice in this video is invaluable. Follow these tips and learn how to live with arthritis without allowing the pain to control you and keep you from doing the things that you love and enjoy. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.